Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to back up Yahoo Mail emails to your local computer or hard drive. Backing up Yahoo emails gives you full control over your data. It prevents permanent data loss, protects your mailbox from cyber threats, and allows offline access during server downtime. It also helps in migrating your data to other email clients like Outlook or Thunderbird, and keeps copies for legal or business records. There are two main ways to back up Yahoo Mail. First, you can configure Yahoo and email clients like Outlook. Second, you can use a professional Yahoo backup tool for an automated and faster process. Let's see how to back up Yahoo emails using IMAP. Open Outlook and go to the File menu. Click Add Account and enter your Yahoo Mail address. Select IMAP and enter the details correctly. Go to File Arrow Open and Export Arrow Import/Export. Select Export to a file, choose Outlook Data File.pst, select the location, and click Finish. To make things easy, you can use the Yahoo Mail Backup Tool. It automatically downloads all your Yahoo emails, contacts, and attachments. You can save emails in multiple formats such as PST, EML, PDF, and HTML. Here's how you can back up Yahoo Mail using the tool. Launch the Yahoo Backup Tool on your PC. Go to the Open tab, then choose Email Accounts and click Add Account. Enter your Yahoo login details and let the tool load your emails. Next, click on Export and choose your desired format. Finally, select the destination path and hit the Save button. That's it. Your Yahoo emails are now safely backed up. Some benefits of Email Backup Tool are: backup emails in multiple formats, download emails in bulk, maintain metadata, backup selected folders or emails, preserves folder hierarchy, preview the emails. Download the Yahoo Backup Tool from the link below and secure your Yahoo data right away. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful email management guides.